Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance with Jazzcash. Start by verifying your Binance account and Jazzcash with matching ID and phone number. Then enable 2FA immediately. Next, link a local bank to Jazzcash for transfers, confirm limits and daily caps, fund your Jazzcash wallet via bank transfer or agent, and prepare to use Binance P2P or card options for deposits and withdrawals while monitoring fees closely. Open Binance and navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot to start a deposit or withdrawal using Jazzcash. Select P2P if you prefer peer traders, or choose local deposit channels that accept Jazzcash directly, then filter for sellers who list Jazzcash as a payment method. Verify trader ratings, payment instructions, and limits before confirming. Always copy payment details exactly and wait for confirmation before releasing crypto to avoid disputes and delays. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh-smelling car. It makes drives nicer after long crypto sessions and fits humorously with cash transfers that smell like success. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more quick tips, keep watching. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your funds by enabling two-factor authentication on both Binance and Jazzcash and using strong, unique passwords. Verify the recipient Jazzcash number and transaction amount each time, and use small test transfers to confirm payment routing and expected timing. Keep screenshots of payment confirmations and chat records with P2P counterparties, and monitor transaction history and notifications for any unexpected activity to resolve issues quickly with support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.